Yeah, so we're here at the beach. Coming to the beach after a very long time today. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Yeah. So which is why the water comes up to. Actually, there's no point trying to run. I have to get wet in the water. Yeah, coming to the beach after a long time today. As you can see, the ocean is pretty rough. Pretty much full on monsoons right now. This evening was a little sunny, so I decided to come out and see what the beach is like. The beach is pretty empty. All my dogs are still here. Yeah, it's been a while since I came out and recorded a video, so I thought I'll do that. Also, it's been a while since I made some music and I made some art. So I want to do that also today. Hi. So today I'm here, I'm going to take a nice walk on the beach. I'm going to go back home, make a track, make some art, hopefully finish it all in time to make a short video and put it up. And the catch is that I have to finish all of this by 9:30, which is 2 hours and 15 minutes from now. I'm going to finish my walk in about another 15-20 minutes and head home. And then we'll start working on the music. What do you think of my new shades, by the way? I think they're really cool. Yeah, also I want to take some photos on this camera, this new camera that I've got. So we'll see what the photos on this look like. There's some washed up coconut trees and the dogs are taking turns peeing on them. It's like I think it's a dog thing to go around in groups and pee on things. What is happening here, boys and girls? That was a seagull. I'm pretty sure that was a seagull.